Let's start today's video. So in today's video, we will discuss about the always block, why LHS of always block must be reg type, and how this block interpreted during the simulation. So let's start. So in Verilog, always block is a fundamental construct used to describe the sequential logic. It allows us to specify how output should change in response to change in input. We will see the syntax of always block. So this is how we describe the always block. So we write always at the rate along with the sensitivity list, and then we write the sequential logic in it, and we end this block with end, begin and end. We'll see one example for more understanding. Now move to the next part, which is reg. Why LHS must be reg type for the always block? So we have data type, reg type, wire type. So what reg type do is reg will hold the value. So in sequential circuit, we need some memory or some element to store the data. So this will be performed by the reg here. We'll see the example and get more clarity here. So in this Verilog snippet of counter, this counter is defined as a reg. So I'm taking this counter as a reg type. Now comes to this always block, always at the rate passage of the clock. Now here inside the sensitivity list, I am taking the passage of the clock. So what does it mean? Whenever the passage of the clock comes, the sensitivity list get hit. So the tool will start reading this always block. So whenever the passage of the clock comes, tool will go inside this block, read this line, and come out of the always block. Now once we get the passage of the clock, tool will read and come out. After that, this we will wait for the second passage of the clock, next passage of the clock. Once the next passage of the clock comes, again the tool will read this always block. So what happened during one passage of to the next passage of the clock? So in during that time, this counter, in this case, the counter should hold some value. So to hold some value, we are declaring counter as a reg type. If we declare it's the wire type, it will not hold the value. So we must have to declare here reg type, reg data type. So this is the reason we always declare LHS of the always block reg type. So whenever there is a change occur inside the sensitivity list, so we will read this block and the output will change the value based on the sequential logic. I hope this video helped you understanding the importance of always block and the reg type in Verilog. If you find out this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.